What's up, traders? Julie here from jlewisTrading.com, 13th of August, and this is today's market review for Monday. So, first session of the week, obviously, S&P 500 was trading a little bit lower. It's the third session in a row where the S&P has been trending to the downside. You can see right through here, here's Monday, Friday, and Thursday, that the markets have been moving to the downside. And it's something that we were talking about over the last couple market reviews. Very, very simply put, you can see that momentum has been leaving the system. So price action has been moving up, but momentum behind price action movement has been moving down. So classic case of bearish divergence. Price action is now catching up and is now trending and has been trending for the last three sessions to the downside. Is it anything to be worried about? I don't think so. You can see that the VIX futures have kind of stepped in and stepped up a bit. But again, in the grand scheme of things, I think that the S&P is clearly very, very bullish still, and there is a very, very high probability that the S&P 500 all-time high is going to be checked and tested and taken out within the coming weeks, unless there's some sort of massive macro event that demolishes all markets. But with all that said, S&P 500 off the last 3 days, nothing too crazy. And again, we're just going to sit tight and watch how this thing works itself out. On a day trade basis, the trade of the day that we're going to report is TIS. This was a market mover intraday, and we jumped on the back of this volatility trade. And you can see right through here that this actually was up 195%. This is not uncommon for what we do. These are the styles of trades that we are constantly looking for in trading. And you can see that right through here we have this nice big bull flag. Price action pulled back a little bit, gave us a fantastic entry right down through here. And boom, we got long and hit some targets. Price action came off a little bit right through here. You can see that we had this VWAP check. Price action really was looking like it wanted to take that VWAP out. And then at the power hour, we got one, last little flag that we got long on. So that's TIS. If you have any questions about that, we're going to be covering it tomorrow in Ask a Trader. If you're not a member yet of Ask a Trader, we're running this promotion for the summer and the fall. We're going to be giving out for free. Sign as many people up as we can. If you want to take advantage, there's a link below. Just click it, send us your email, and we will continuously send you invites to Ask a Trader, hosted on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the description box below, there is a direct link to sign up for Ask a Trader, which we host every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com.